Advanced Wireless Communications proudly serves over 2,000 senior living communities across the U.S. AWC specializes in wireless solutions that improve operational efficiencies, resident care, and resident safety. Many senior living facilities are still operating with manual call lights that don't support optimal resident care. These legacy systems are reliable, but they lack the ability to generate reports on response times, extended waits, and dispositions. Having a system that doesn't work efficiently can lead to poor resident care and poor communication between staff. ODIN Connect by AWC is a powerful modular system that fully integrates with a wired nurse call system to improve how senior living facilities operate. Best of all, it can be installed at a fraction of the cost compared to replacing your entire system. Check it out. When a resident needs assistance, ODIN Connect receives the call and a voice announcement is broadcasted to the staff.
Assistance needed in room 305.
I've got room 305.
An available staff member can easily communicate that they are responding to the call. The call can be received through two-way radios or a smartphone app with a push-to-talk feature. ODIN Connect can be integrated with other systems like wander control, fire alarms, and environmental systems to ensure your staff is communicating efficiently no matter the circumstance. With ODIN Connect, your facility will experience improved resident safety, better response times, increased staff productivity, and reduced labor costs. Visit advancedwireless.com to learn how ODIN Connect can be integrated into your system.